I screw it up. Low battery. Shit. The most important thing, the second or the third most important thing, I cannot find it. Where is it? Shit, it's destroyed. Maybe I can use it later. Whoa. But this is broken. Okay, the most important thing is the dongle. Oh shit, this is also broken. I wonder if without this can fly. Damn, it crashed directly, man, like this, like a missile. Exactly here, man, it destroyed completely. And the most important thing, the dongle, I cannot find it. The mobile data. The dongle, yeah, I found the cover and the cable. Yeah, let's bring the things here to let. Damn, the bicycles guy are going through here, this road. No, I think no, they are not. Exactly here. I just put all the parts here in case the bicycle guys come. Shit, I cannot find the dongle. It's the only part, but completely destroyed. The white thing. I found the cover, which is this. And it was connected here, obviously. Oh shit. No, fuck you. Let's go. Wow, it's impressive that there are many parts that survive. Oh shit. I think it bounced. Bounced in this. It must be in this direction. This.
Maybe it's from this way.
Oh yeah, I'm sure it just flip up. Damn man, it was bad, really bad. When I told you, it's because I was watching the bird falling. Oh shit. Damn. And I think I had a micro SD card also, but that will be impossible to find. Oh look, I am finding more screws. I can use the screws for later. Oh look, wow. Obviously the radar antennas are lost. Those are really, really weak. Shit. Look, I found the python too. It must be in this area because...
Oh yes, everything is lying here, so...
Oh shit, that was bad, man. The battery completely... The telemetry...
Get stuff here and then go look.
What?
Get our stuff.
Yeah, let's do that. This is... Nobody's going to take it. Shit, man, it was awful. I saw it like
I
this.
heard it. I heard
And I had no controllability, nothing, none, zero. Yeah, it completely shut down, and because it was not sending telemetry, it did not give me the warning. Exactly, but it was trying to land, and it was in the automatic landing mode, but it did not have enough time because it was really, really high. Man, at least it was here. I did not hit a person or an infrastructure. Yeah. That's why we fly in spaces like this. Damn, that was awful. Bad, man, bad. Wow, what a... Ah, shit, that is awful. I think I will have to buy another dongle. Then another airplane. Well, I have more airplanes. I purchased them because of this. This model is completely discontinued. They do not sell them.
This one is totally wrecked.
So, no, I mean, yeah, that's obvious. But what I mean is this model of airplane is completely fade out from the company. Yes, they do it. They do it in that way. Yes, they have a lot. And they do not want to go back to old models. I contact them. They say no. We do not do anything.